Okay.
Go ahead and record. Start the.
Yeah, recording
Yeah.
is muted. Nothing bad.
Okay. Okay, so let me start with the organization structure.
No, it's okay. Go ahead. Move on. You don't have to. It's all right.
Yeah. So since the recording is on, so I will just add few points on this. So this is the plant, and plant will have the store location, ROD and AFS. ROD is the receive and DAC, and AFS is the available for sale. So generally the shipping point is linked to the plant, and these three combination like plant and store location combination is assigned to the ERP warehouse number. So this is the steps in the S4HANA system or ERP system. So in the EWM system, so like we have different org structure, and SAP is recommended to use this two store location for the EWM warehouse. So why? Because so the ROD one is the receive on dock, and AFS is the available for sale. So you can see we have different availability groups 001 and 002. So what does that mean? So this availability group is linked to the stock types in the EWM system. For example, F1, Q3, B5, R7. F1 is unrestricted use in the warehouse and quality inspection in the warehouse, and B5 is the blocked stock in the warehouse, and R7 is the blocked return stock in the warehouse. Whereas this availability group 002 represent the stock types F2. F2 means it is unrestricted use in the this is F2 is the unrestricted use in the warehouse. F1 is the unrestricted use in the put away. So still the stock is not available for any further usage. So with these stock types F1, Q3, B5, R7, this is still in the put away. But with the stock type F2, Q4, B6, R8, the stock is available in the warehouse that can be further used by the warehouse operator. That means they can create the outbound deliveries and they can ship it to the external customers with this stock type. And this is a supply chain unit. It is the master data in EWM system slash SAWM slash SEU main. So for each warehouse number, we'll have the supply chain unit. So this represent like actual location of the warehouse. Okay, it contains the address and what is the reason, and so there's some business attributes like inventory, RO, SO means receiving office, sales office, INV that represents the warehouse. So these attributes needs to be assigned to the supply chain unit, and this supply chain unit is assigned to the warehouse EWM in the EWM system. And again, this plant will be considered as the business partner. Okay. So in the coming slides, I will explain in detail about this. So plant will be considered as the business partner. So this will be, this is represent the party entitled to dispose in EWM system, and also plant will be the stock owner, and custodian is the warehouse number. So this, in this structure, warehouse structure, so I will explain like what are the different areas within the warehouse. So let's say, so these are the inbound section, and these are the outbound sections, and these are within the warehouse. Like we have where it is in the blue dots. These are the high rack storage where actually we receive the goods from the external supplier or from the production, and we store it in the warehouse. So let's say, so we have received some stock from the external supplier. So let's say, so we are so truck is arrived at the yard. So then the truck is assigned to the door. So when the truck is arrived at the door, so actual docking will takes place. I mean, in the in the process wise, so the goods will be unloaded at the door. So it will uh, So it will kept in the GR zone. So this is the staging area for the inbound. Okay. So whenever all the goods we receive from the external supplier, so we always stays first at the inbound staging area. So for different staging areas we have. So system like warehouse operator, they will just unload and they will kept in the staging area. So they once the goods receipt is done and the inbound delivery, so it is in the GR zone. So then in ERP system, stock will update on ROD location. So ROD means receive one dock. So this is just we received the stock from the external supplier, but we done the goods receipt in EWM, but the stock is currently lying in the GR zone. So that is not completely available for the sale. It is just for the information that EWM received the stock. So in ERP or S4HANA, like user can check the stock in the ROD store location. So this ROD store location with the stock type F1 in EWM. So they cannot consume this stock from the ROD location. So that is not the final location. So once the goods receipt is done, so you can see some like for some products, not all the products will go with clarification zone or packing work center or quality inspection or returns. Some stocks will require some mm, uh, some random checks. Okay, so then that will move to the clarification zone. So from there, they will just do some kind of checks, and if they want to do kind of repacking, so as per the final storage, so in some case, supplier they send some bulk stock in the truck. Okay, so those needs to be cross-checked before moving to the storage. So in that case, they can use the clarification zone or directly from GR zone to the final storage. So like medium parts or large parts or pallet tracks with medium parts. And in
Give
some,
me 1 second.
yeah,
Pradeep, just give me minutes, please. Just a couple
yeah,
of minutes. I'll come back.
yeah, sure.